Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we can discuss some other identities of algebraic expressions. So, in previous class we can learn up to identity 5. Today we can extend it to we can learn some of the identities. So, today we discuss the identity number 6. So, which is the identity number 6? X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Students, up to this we can learn the degree. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವೋ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳು ಅವೆಲ್ಲದ್ರೂ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ನೌ ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. That means the cubic algebraic identities we can learn today. So the first one is x plus y whole cube, that is identity number 6. X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So when you can also replacing y by minus y, that means it happen. Okay, y by minus in identity 6 we get x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3 into xy of x minus y, or you can further extended this minus 3xy multiply inside the bracket, we get x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. So these are the two identities we can learn. So using this identity 6 and identity 7 we can solve some of the problems. See, first one, write the following cubes in the expanded form. First one is 3a plus 4b whole cube, and second one is 5p minus 3q whole cube. We take this first one problem, 3a plus 4b whole cube. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನನ್ ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ extended form of x plus y whole cube? That is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy of x plus y. So consider x is equal to 3a and y is equal to 4b. It happens 3a plus 4b whole cube is equal to 3a cube plus 4b whole cube plus 3 into 3a into 4b of 3a plus 4b. Just using the equation we can, using the identity we can expand like this. So further simplification, 3a whole cube, when you are expanding this it happens 3 into 3 into 3, that nothing but 27 a cube, 27a cube. When you are expanding 4b whole cube it happen 4 into 4 into 4 is 64 and b cube plus here 3a plus 4b, 4 3 is a 12, 12 3 is a 36 ab. When you are multiply inside the bracket of 3a plus 4b it happen 108 a square b plus 144 a b square. Is it right? This is the expanded form. So we take second one, 5p minus 3q whole cube. It is in the form of x minus y whole cube. So x is 5p, y is 3q. So 5p minus 3q whole cube is equal to 5p cube plus minus 3q whole cube minus 3 into 5p into 3q of 5p minus 3q. When you are simplify this happen 125p square, because 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125. This also 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 cube minus, when you are multiplying this inside, when you are simplifying all this term it happen 225 p square q plus 135 p q square. Next problem, evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. So 104 whole cube, 999 whole cube. So without direct multiplication, we have to solve using the identities. So you can write 104 whole cube as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Now it form x plus y whole cube. Is it right? X is equal to 100, y is equal to 4. We know that formula, that is x square plus x cube plus y cube plus 3 into xy of x plus y. So expand this all the term and multiply using simplification. We get 100 cube is 100 into 100 into 100 is nothing but it happened 10 lakh plus 64. 4 cube is 64 and this one is 1,24,800 when you are simplify all these terms. So adding all this we get 11,24,864 is the answer. This one also 999 whole cube. This will be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. 1000 minus 1 whole cube. 1000 minus 1, how much? We get 999. So just we can extend this. It happen x minus y whole cube, that is substitute in the expanded form. It happen 1000 whole cube minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into 1000 into 1 of 1000 minus 1. So when you are simplify this, we get this answer. Next one is, so up to now we can learn the expanded form. Now we can learn factorization. Factorization means they only given in expanded form. You have to solve to find out the identity. So what is the given polynomial? 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. So you are right in simplification form. 8x cube we will be written as 2x whole cube. 27y cube written as 3y whole cube. And 36x square y we can written as 3 into 4x square into 3y plus 54xy square written as 3 into 2x into 9y square. Now rearrange this. 2x whole cube 3y whole cube plus 3 into 2x whole square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y square. It is in the form of 2x plus 3y whole cube. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು 2x plus 3y whole ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಬರದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ here x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Is it right? When you are multiply inside 3xy into x, 3x square y plus 3xy into y is 3xy square. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. So in this case it happened 2x plus 3y whole cube. You will be written as 2x plus 3y. Okay, just let us stop here. So these are some problems about identity 6 and 7. Thank you.